Hey guys, thank you for tuning back to my channel. My name is MemieCarvel and I am back at it with another wig review. So today's review is brought to you by Outre. So I'd like to say thank you guys for sending over this unit. Today's unit is going to be a new release unit by Outre. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hey, how you doing? I do hair, beauty, and fashion, mostly hair. So while you're at it, go ahead and click that subscribe button and notification bell so you guys don't miss any more of my uploads in the future. Alright you guys, so I am very excited to bring this review to you guys because this unit is so gorgeous. I've been waiting for this unit to come out, okay? I've been waiting for this unit to come out. When I found this, package in front of my door, I was so excited. But this unit here, of course, it's by Outre. It's their melted hairline, which I do love. Their melted hairline collection. It is their deluxe lace part 2x5 Begonia. I think that's her name, Begonia. Hopefully I'm saying it right. And I have her in the color DRFF Amber Sunset. So here is the stock card if you're just tuning in. And then of course inside of the stock card, and of course the special colors and description about the lace parting. And this unit is so pretty. I am in love with the color. It is super soft. Like, I'm very impressed. Very soft. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with an adjustable strap and an elastic band. Like, my tongue is tied because I'm hungry, because I'm bringing this review to you guys a late night, but it gotta be delivered. It gotta be delivered. But yeah, this unit does have an adjustable strap, which I do love because of course I have a boy cut. So with the boy cut, I like to feel that sense of security. But yeah, the unit has like face frame and highlights. It has this, I think this is the Amber Sunset color towards like the front, which I do love. It's a little bit more like a auburnish towards the back. It looks like a sunset pretty much. And of course, like the darker color, I guess this would be like a neutral black, but I love it so much. So soft, so pretty. The only bummer I can say about this unit off the bat is that it is a right part instead of a left part. If you guys been following me for this long, you guys would know I love my left part because I love my swoop to be on this side, not this side. But other than that, the unit is gorgeous. That's the only con that I do have. The laces is very soft. It melted very well. And I also did wanted to talk about this lace spray because I had this in my collection for some time now. This is the Red by Kiss lace bond spray. Normally you guys know that I use my Ebin New York spray, which I do love. But this one here, it smells so good. The hold is like a good hold. It's like a nice hold, like a very firm hold, but it's not a loose hold. It's like the hold is actually good. I'm impressed. The hold is really good, which I do love. I don't want to pull it too much because I'm not really too familiar about this lace spray, but I think this is my new go-to. I do have 2. I have another one which is their freeze spray as well, but I went ahead and tried this one. I do love so this is actually my go-to spray. I wish I could have done a review on this. I just brought it at my local beauty supply store and it held so well. I just love the way it made the unit even more seamless because with the melted hairline, it automatically melts. I don't have to do anything to this unit, but it made it even more seamless, which I do love. Other than that, I did use my Simply Silk styling spray just to help tame it just a bit because I did experience just a little bit of tangling, which is to be expected because I know I wear a lot of synthetic units. A lot of people don't want it to tangle or have nipping, but it's to be expected. But it was not like excessive. It was just light, and normally I just use my Simply Silk styling spray, which is a silicone, which helped smooth it out, and like my fingers is running through. It's already very soft to begin with. So what I usually do is use my Got2B glue just to harden it up. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't want it to be hard, but when I say stiffen it up, because it's nice and silky, I just want it to feel like yucky. So that's why I usually spray my Got2B glue. But other than that, this unit is super gorgeous. From a scale of 1 to 10, I do give this unit a 9. I just love the color. So gorgeous. I would have went with this color here, but I felt like everybody was gonna cop that color, so I went with this amberish sunset color, and I'm very happy that I went with this color. This unit, is in stock. on pretty much all the websites because they're kind of new. So I will be putting the links down below so you guys can check out different sites. If they are out of stock on certain sites that you do shop on, you will find them in stock. You can find them at your local beauty supply store. This look here, let me go ahead and give you guys a 360 while I am at it. So here is the back. Well, here is the back. Here is the length. It's giving me up above my booty. Love, love, love. I don't know how the back look, but I know it has like this waviness look. It's not like a romance curl. It has like a nice romance curl towards the front, and it is wavy towards the back. It did come with this like sponge, and I'm very familiar with Outre with this technique. So pretty much it's to just hold the curl, which I do love. It was on both sides. I did take them out in the beginning. This unit here is super affordable. Their melted hairline is awesome, so be sure to check the description box down below because everything will be listed down below so you guys can make your purchase. Go ahead and add to cart right now, like right now. Like, I just love the wave on there. On this unit, it's not, you know, it's not too wavy, it's not too curly, and it has a nice silk texture. It's not like yucky, but it has a light yucky. I don't know how to explain it. It's like, we gotta find like a word chart for that because it's like right in the middle of a kind of a light yucky, but on the silky side, but not too silky. But that's how I'm gonna have to describe this unit. But other than that, yeah, that'll be about it for this review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share, and click that notification bell while you guys are at it. And be sure you guys are checking all of my socials down below. And yeah, tell me your thoughts, and thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you guys soon.